Hello. In today's Google Workspace configuration settings video, we will look at Marketplace application settings and access. Firstly, please make sure you have logged into your school's admin console. Then on the left-hand menu, navigate to Apps, Google Workspace Marketplace Apps, and then Settings. Within the settings, make sure you have chosen your top-level OU, and it's highly recommended that you choose the option Allow users to install and run only selected apps from your marketplace. Please select this option. Please also be aware that users may lose access to apps they have previously installed that are now not part of your allow list. We'll have a look at the allow list shortly. If you have just selected the setting, make sure you hit save to ensure that the setting is saved for your top-level OU. Once that setting has been enabled, we want to go ahead and go to the application list. Again, go to the left-hand menu. Under Google Workspace Marketplace Apps, choose Apps List. From here, you will see the domain installed apps. These domain installed apps are applications that have been pushed down to all your users in your domain. And typically, these applications will appear in the little Google Apps waffle icon up here where you can access the applications. So you can see all the different applications that have been pushed down for your domain. We recommend that you go ahead and check all your domain installed apps and check that the only required applications are there. Any apps you do not want to have installed for your domain-wide users, you can simply choose the app. Once it opens the app menu, you can choose Uninstall App. This will then go ahead and uninstall the app for your domain. Additionally, you can allow list applications. Currently, there's no applications allow listed, but if you would install a new application from the Google Workspace Marketplace, you can choose to allow list that application for your domain, which means users can go to the marketplace and download that application to use. Also, you can set any block apps that you don't want to be allowed for your domain, and this is where they would appear. Now we've looked at how to uninstall domain install applications, where to allow list applications, and where blocked applications will show up for the Google Workspace Marketplace. Thank you for watching this video.